In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Lightroom's Photoshop cropping mechanism and tools. They have a lot of different aspect ratios. You can do landscape, you can do portrait, and they have some formatted ones, and you can also do a custom. So in this picture, I want to get rid of this guy that's right on the edge of the shot. So to crop it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to this little box here that's got the little arrows on the side of it, and then click on it. And that's going to give me a window where I can change the aspect ratios. Now I can just pull this down and it keeps it right at the right aspect ratio that I want. And then I can come back over here and I just can click on it. Bam, done. And there you go. You got a perfectly cropped photo. But there's a couple other things you can do. First of all, you want to unlock this. All right, so now it's unlocked. And then we go here. Now you can go to a custom. You just take your mouse to the corner, press down, and you can move it wherever you want and have whatever ratio that you desire. But let's go back to our original shot. And let's go to a 1:1. Now look at this. You could do that if you wanted to. Or you can do any one of these different various aspect ratios. And they have a whole bunch of them, you can just go through them and see which ones you like. If you want to go back to your original shot, you click there, right? Now, let's say you want to rotate your aspect ratio, okay? See this box that has a little arrow on it? You just click on that and that allows you to rotate it into a portrait format. Now to move the picture into frame, you've got to push your cursor down and kind of slide it over to where you want. You can also jump up here and push your cursor on there and you can collapse it a little bit. And all the formatted aspect ratios, you can just come up in here and you can do them in a portrait format. So like your 16:9 is now 9:16, it just reverses it. And then to get back, you click up top there and it just takes you back to your original shot. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on how to use Adobe Lightroom Photoshop. If I can figure it out, so can you. It's not very intuitive, but it's not that hard either. All right, see you on the next video.